Stuck when it comes to meal ideas as an intuitive eater? You're not alone. The key is crafting meals that are both nourishing and satisfying without rules or restrictions. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing some simple breakfast, lunch, and dinner ideas that embrace flexibility and flavor so you can eat with joy and confidence. Hi, I'm Bonnie Giller, a registered dietitian and certified intuitive eating counselor. I help women break free from dieting and learn to trust their bodies again. If you're ready for a healthier relationship with food, your body, just go ahead and subscribe to this channel and join our community. So let's dive into some practical, real-world meals that honor your hunger, your health, and satisfaction. Now, these aren't just recipes, they're templates that you can customize to suit your cravings and your lifestyle. So get a pen and start to jot down breakfast ideas we're starting with. So number one, savory avocado toast, my favorite. Take some whole grain bread, spread on some avocado, top it with an egg, sprinkle of seeds, pair it with a piece of fruit, maybe even a latte to go with that. So for some balance and satisfaction. Breakfast idea number two, a hearty yogurt bowl. Combine some Greek yogurt, fresh berries, granola, and a drizzle of honey. Add nuts or seeds for an energy-boosting crunch. When choosing breakfast, think about what will keep you energized until your next meal. It's okay to try savory one day and sweet the next. Lunch ideas. Well, idea number one for lunch is build your own salad. Start with leafy greens, add a protein of your choice, chicken, maybe tofu, and toss in some roasted veggies, nuts, and your favorite dressing. Include a slice of bread or some crackers on the side for extra satisfaction. Idea number two, a nourishing sandwich or wrap. So stuff a whole grain wrap or bread of your choice with turkey or salmon, some hummus, veggies, maybe some cheese. Pair that with a side of chips or a soup for balance. Lunch doesn't have to be perfect. No meal has to be perfect. Focus on variety, flavors, and textures that just feel satisfying to you. And let's get into some dinner ideas. Number one, a one-pan pasta dish. So cook pasta with some olive oil and garlic, your favorite protein, plenty of vegetables. Just mix it all in with tomatoes and spinach and mushrooms. Spinach with sprinkle with a little Parmesan to finish. Delicious. Idea number two, sheet pan meals. So choose a protein, again, like salmon or chicken or whatever your choice. Toss it in a sheet pan with veggies, drizzle with olive oil, and toss everything together. Serve it with rice or some bread for a balanced plate. Dinner is a time to unwind. Choose options that satisfy both your hunger and your soul. Eating as an intuitive eater means finding meals that meet both your body's needs and your personal preferences. And the best part, there's no one size fits all. Customize the templates that I've just shared, experiment with flavors and textures and just different foods, and keep it all fun. So, do you have a favorite intuitive eating meal idea? If you do, drop it in the comments below and let's exchange ideas with each other. And if you do try any of these that I've shared in today's video, I'd love to hear about it, please. Next up, we are diving into the difference between mindful eating and intuitive eating, a topic that confuses so many people. Be sure to subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video drop. I will see you in the next video.